I'm Dan McKiernan of the Division of Marine Fisheries, and I want to talk about the current situation of our seafood industry. Massachusetts is rich in sustainable seafood. Among all states, we are second in the country for overall seafood value, with over $640 million paid at the dock. We're number one for sea scallops and number two for lobster. The economic impact is well into the billions, and the workforce is over 100,000 strong. Commercial fishing and seafood processing are considered essential businesses by Governor Baker. Our seafood industry is multi-layered, and every layer is critical. Fishermen bring the catch to shore, they sell to wholesale dealers who further process the fish and shellfish, and then they resell to retail shops and restaurants. Consider this amazing statistic. Over 70% of seafood is traditionally sold in restaurants. Unfortunately, the ongoing shutdown of restaurants has devastated sales and reduced prices paid to the fleet. While there's been a slight increase in demand for seafood that can be prepared at home, this segment of the market cannot make up for the losses due to the closure of the restaurants. This is an enormous problem for fishermen, their families, and the communities. Some fishermen have opted to try to sell some of their catch directly to the public by obtaining state permits to sell live lobsters, crabs, whole fish, and shucked sea scallops to consumers from their boat. But for consumer safety, state regulations do not permit direct sale of processed fish from the vessel, nor bivalve shellfish such as oysters. If you've heard of a shellfish farmer selling direct to the public, it's because that farmer is also a certified dealer. This initiative alone will not compensate for the loss of restaurant sales. The industry will need restaurants to reopen to fully restore the demand, and that will take some time. Many people may hear this and ask, what can I do? I'm trapped at home too. For now, it is critically important to support your local markets and fishermen by eating more Massachusetts seafood and buying local. With some uncertainty in our national food supply chain, Massachusetts is producing a great domestic source of healthy protein that's being landed every day. At DMF, we are working with the seafood industry to help connect them with consumers. Visit the DMF website and find our updated list of open seafood markets. Massachusetts seafood is available and right now is very affordable. When you buy locally caught fish, you will support the fleet, the processors, and dealers in your community while we await the reopening of the restaurants to get all these businesses fully up and running. Let's help preserve these legacy industries in these challenging times, especially the independent, family-owned businesses that are a defining feature of our waterfront. Please make the effort to support the local seafood industry in this critical time. Thank you for listening, and I wish you all good health.